Successful career, rapid salary growth and early retirement. Most of the employees are thinking about it from time to time, but how to achieve it and what are the skills you need to learn. Today's video will explore how to turn these dreams into reality and highlight the crucial skills you need to master. I'm Alex, a professional engineer, certified professional career coach and a certified professional resume writer. This video is mostly for wage employees and how to succeed in your career. But if you're also interested in quitting your job and what skills you need to master to be a quick millionaire and entrepreneur, please watch another video on my channel. The link is down below this video. So let's talk about several things you need to do in your career to achieve the best results possible. The high salary, the early retirement and the high positions. Firstly, let's answer the question, is it possible to be a millionaire being a wage employee? Absolutely. Becoming a multimillionaire as a wage employee is not just a dream, it's a reality. Take Sundar Pichai. Before becoming the CEO of Google, the later Alphabet, his career began in engineering and product management, initially joining Google in 2004. Pichai made significant contributions to products like Google Home and Google Drive. Over the years, his leadership and vision have not only propelled him to the top of one of the most influential tech companies globally, but also amazed him a fortune with his current wealth estimated in $1.65 billion. Then there is Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, who started his career at IBM as a production engineer before joining Apple in 1998. Cook's expertise and strategic foresight eventually led him to succeed Steve Jobs as CEO in 2011. Under his leadership, Apple has seen unprecedented growth and Cook himself has become a billionaire, illustrating the vast potential for wealth as a dedicated employee turned CEO. Another good example is Darren Woods, Exxon CEO. Woods started his career at Exxon Company International in 1992 as a planning analyst, so climbing through various positions within the company, he eventually became the CEO of ExxonMobil. While specific figures for his net worth are less commonly reported, it's clear that leading such a significant global player in the energy sector places him in the realm of multi-millionaires. The estimated net worth of Darren Woods is at least $127 million, as he owns over 1 million shares of ExxonMobil stocks, and his annual salary is over $30 million. These stories of Sundar Pichai, Tim Cook and Darren Woods exemplify how starting with foundational roles and working diligently can lead to significant positions of influence and financial success. Their journeys from their first job to their current status as multimillionaires and even billionaires underscore the importance of ambitions and continuous improvement. So let's explore two distinct pathways for engineers dreaming of becoming millionaires. Engineering, with its vast spectrum of disciplines, offers multiple roads to significant financial success. Let's delve into these two options, each with its unique journey and set of requirements and skills. The option number one is climbing the corporate ladder. The first path is aiming for leadership positions such as manager, CEO, or other executive roles within the company. The journey typically begins with a solid foundation in engineering, often requiring at least a master's degree in engineering. However, technical expertise alone isn't enough to ascend to the top of the corporate hierarchy. To truly excel and prepare for leadership roles, pursuing an MBA is highly recommended. An MBA equips engineers with crucial skills beyond their technical knowledge, including strategic thinking, financial acumen, marketing, operations management, and leadership. These skills are vital for making high-stake decisions, managing teams, and driving company growth. The path to becoming a manager or CEO involves not just excelling in your technical role, but also developing a deep understanding of business operations and how to maximize profitability. Success in this path can lead to significant financial rewards, including high salaries, bonuses, stock options, and other compensation benefits associated with executive positions.
Sending hundreds of resumes, but not getting any response? Engineer Now is a platform for creating resumes for engineers of all professions. The most crucial aspect of a technical specialist's resume is their professional skills. On the Engineer Now platform, technical skills and competencies for almost all engineering professions have been manually selected, and you can add them to your resume with just one click. In today's world, most companies use AI algorithms to screen resumes, so even the format of your resume matters during the selection process. Engineer Now uses formats tested over the years on hundreds of engineers. Use what truly works.
The option number 2 is what I call the scientific and innovation road. The second pathway is more focused on the scientific aspects of engineering. This road is ideal for those who are more inclined towards research, development, and inventing new technologies or solutions. Here, the academic journey often extends beyond a master's degree to a PhD in a specialized area of engineering or technology. The key to financial success on this path is to leverage your expertise and innovation by inventing something new, obtaining patents and either collecting royalties from your patents or selling them. Patents can be incredibly valuable as they give you exclusive rights to your inventions, allowing you to license your technology to companies or even create your own startup to develop and market your product. So both paths often viable roads to becoming a millionaire as an engineer, but each require a different set of skills, interests, and commitments. So whether you are drawn to the strategic and leadership challenges of the corporate world or the innovative and research-intensive world of scientific discovery, the key is to pursue excellence, remain persistent, and continuously seek opportunities for growth and advancement. The key to success in your career is to have a clear development path with short-term and long-term goals. You need to keep learning, get a master's degree, PhD, MBA, professional engineer status, different professional certifications within your discipline, etc. Don't sit around waiting for a chance to come knocking. Be the one who knocks. Go talk to your boss, tell him about your dreams and what you plan to do, ask for his help and support. When I was just starting at Shell, I moved up through 4 job groups in just 6 years. I went from being a technician to leading over 50 people as the head of mechanical maintenance. And I did all this before I turned 30, making me the youngest discipline head in the field. Everything, guys, is in your hands. Good luck.